Acids and bases play efficient function both inside and outside the scientific laboratory. They are used in our everyday life without many of us knowing what are they. We use them for the things like cleaning, cooking, and even for drinking and eating purposes. Our biological processes, enzymes, work best at specific levels of acid and bases. The enzymes working at specific part like stomach could not work in our mouth, like sodium chloride is the main source of sodium in our diet. It is essential for the transmission of nerve impulses and maintenance of proper fluid balance in our body. Acids are the substances that produce hydrogen ions in water solution. Their unique property to produce these ions in water solution make them weak or strong. The more iron it dissociate, the more stronger is their nature. Lesser the iron, weaker they become. They have the pH of less than 7. 7 is the pH of neutral substance. A pH scale tells about acid and basic nature of substances. The more is pH, less is acidic nature. They turn blue litmus to red. Acids are sticky to touch, sour to taste, react with metals to form hydrogen gas, and usually has burning no smell. Whereas bases are substances that produce hydroxide ions in water solution. It is considered they accept hydrogen ions from acids. Acid donate hydrogen ions, make acids and bases complement to each other. They have pH of more than 7. They turn red litmus to blue. Bases are bit slippery to touch, bitter to taste, reacts with oils and fats, and usually have no smell. Some common examples of acids are phosphoric and carbonic acid that are present in many soft drinks. Vinegar we used as food preservative. Fruit juices, car batteries, citrus fruits, sting of many insects, explosives, dye, paints, fertilizers, etc. are the examples of some common acids. Some common examples of bases are drain cleaner, laundry detergent, lubricating grease, soap products, baking soda, mouthwash, toothpaste, chewing gum, pesticide, hair dyes, etc.